Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Glenmont local and long-distance movers near me. Arranging the logistics of a long-distance relocation is difficult and often much more challenging than local moves. In long-distance moves, you need a more experienced and professional moving company with a broader set of services and expertise. Whether you're moving to a neighboring state near Maryland or further away in the U.S., there's a lot to plan for. If you have a family, things can get more exhausting, even for local moves. Ready to move to a new home in Glenmont? Our local movers are on your side. Avoid the hassle, discomfort, and inconvenience of a DIY move by hiring 3 movers for local moving in Glenmont. No matter if it is a very hot day or if heavy lifting is required, our team of efficient movers is always ready to help you with your local move until you're completely satisfied. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Glenmont moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.